Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to enable ANC on your headphones LG tone-free fit. Let's get started with open the application, and right here we have ambient sound control. So, firstly put your headphones to your ears. And we have two options how to enable it. The first one is to click on noise cancelling. And we just swapped here. Or you can press and hold on your left or right earbud. So the touches area is located right here, so just press and hold, and I will show it to you. So now I'm press and hold. And again. And I swap to noise cancelling. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!